Hey everyone, today we are diving into the website Macabacus.com. This is the #1 productivity and brand compliance suite built for finance and banking professionals. Macabacus helps you speed up your work in Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, boosting your efficiency by automating routine tasks. According to the site, over 80,000 finance professionals and more than 3,000 enterprise organizations already use Macabacus. They have an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars on G2. About pricing: a professional license costs $360 per year per user. If you need more users, you can get enterprise plans with custom pricing for larger teams. Macabacus offers tools like Link Excel to PowerPoint formula, auditing presentation, proofing shared libraries, and AI writing assistant. They help you quickly find and fix errors, maintain brand consistency, and build polished financial models and decks faster if you work in investment banking, private equity, venture capital, or FP. And this platform could be a game changer. Macabacus also offers strong security with single sign-on and an easy admin panel for team management. If you are interested, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Support the channel by hitting like and subscribe. See you in the next video.